Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. Take W3 Wave, it is a platform where you can learn step by step all about the Salesforce application and development. In this tutorial, you will be learn our framework, LWC, Apex Class Trigger, Visual Force, and many more. So now let's get started. In this lesson, we will be learn about how to navigate file object in LWC component. So first, I will create a LWC component, name as navigation page LWC. The navigation page LWC that is created in the previous lesson. So in this lesson, we will be use same component. Then we will create a button. On button click, it will be navigate to file object in Salesforce. Here we will be using navigation mixing service library to navigate file object in LWC. So friends, in this lesson, we will be learn after click the button, it will be automatically navigate to the file object so that we will see list of the file in the Salesforce. So friends, now let's jump to my VS Code where we will be see live demo example how to navigate file object after click the button. So now let's get started. So friends, this is my VS Code. In this lesson, we will be learn about how to navigate to the file object. So in the previous lesson, we have created navigation page LWC component. So in this lesson, we will be also use same component. So now first let's comment the section. This lightning card uses for the navigation to charter. Now I am creating another one lightning card for the navigation to the file. So first I create a section. This section for the navigation to the file. So I am commenting the section so that in the future we will be understand what section we use for the what action. So first I am copy the lightning card and first I will be rename the title navigation to the file object. Then this created a table. In the table I created TR, the created two TD. Two TD means two columns. First column I am mentioning navigation to the charter. So instead of charter page I am using file object. Because in this lesson we are navigate to the file object. After click the button. Then in the second TD I am creating lightning button. So in the lightning button using variant label navigation to the I will change charter to file and I am passing the function name on click action to navigation file. So I am passing function name action to navigation file. Now save. Now copy the function name. Go to the JavaScript. So in the previous lesson, I created a navigation to charter. Below the navigation to charter function, I am creating another one function for the navigation to the file. Here I am commenting navigation to file object. This is the name of the function that I am copying from here. So I am creating new function for the navigation to the file. So inside the navigation file function, I will be use same reference code that is using in the create a new account record. So this is a function new create a new record of account. So first I copy the reference code from here. Go to the new created function and paste here. I copy the reference code of the created new record of account because account and file both are the object type. So property will be this in the square bracket navigation mixing dot navigate in the function. I am passing the type standard object page because the file is also an object. Then I am applying attributes. It is a mandatory attributes in the bracket. I am passing the object API. So instead of the account, I will be use content document because here I am navigation to the file. So file is a content. So here I will be use content document and Instead of the new, I will use home. So after click the button, it will be navigate to the content document, that is a file object, and it will be display in the view of the content document of the file. Now save both of the component file. Now let's deploy this particular file to the Salesforce. So now let's deploy the code. Both file has been deployed to the Salesforce. Now let's go to the browser and refresh. So this is a browser where I calling the component. My section is not coming. Let me deploy once again. Deploy successfully. Now refresh the page. In the section I created another one section for the navigation to file. So now my section is coming here. You can see right now I created a section for the navigation to file object. So this section display on the browser here, and this is a newly created button. So whenever click on the button, it will be automatically redirect to the file. So now let's click here. You can see it is automatically navigate to the file object. This is a file that is uploaded in the Salesforce. So go back. You can see right now I created a section that is a navigate to the file object. In the section, I created a table. In the table, I created TR and TD. So in the TR, I created two TD. First column, I mentioned the navigation to the file object. In the second TD, I created a lightning button. In the lightning button, I pass a function. In the function, go to the JavaScript. Here I created a newly created function and give a reference. So in the reference, first I use this dot navigation dot navigate. Then type, in the type I am passing the standard object page because file is also an object. Then I am using the attributes. In the attributes, I am passing the object API name, that is a content document. Content document refer to the file object. Then I am using the action name in the home page. So whenever click on the button, it will be automatically navigate to the content document, like content document that is a file object. So go to the browser, refresh. It is visible in the new section that is created newly. Navigate to the file object. Whenever I click on the button, it is automatically redirected to the file object. So now let's click once again. You can see it is automatically navigate to the file object. So friends, in this lesson, we have learned how to navigate file object from Lightning Web Component LWC. Try to do from your side in your personal org. If you're getting any kind of issue, please write in comment box. To get more related video of the Salesforce, go to the YouTube, search TechW3 Web, then click here, go to the videos, and here you will be get so many live demo example of video. Here I created real-time scenario based on working on the office. So here you will be get Salesforce Lightning Aura component, Visual Force page, Salesforce LWC, Lightning Flow Builder, and here so many video you will be get that is working in office in live project. If you subscribe my channel, your project working will be very easy. So friends, like, share and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much.